So here's the light switch installed. See, I have a normal switch here, normal dimmer here. Here's the new timer switch. It was a little difficult getting this installed. This dimmer switch is wide, and this is wide. So I had a little bit of trouble getting these to fit right next to each other. But I got it in there with a little wiggling and working and shoving and getting it together. So, see the lighted display? I really like the lighted display. And I also like the fact that this is easy to open. So, I'm going to start here with a setup, calendar, enter, 7:15. We'll set a date. Whoop. Went to the wrong. If you hold it down, you can see it goes fast, and it's coordinating the day at the top. Daylight savings time zone. Daylight savings time on, zone, calendar. There's 3 zones, or several zones in the manual. Hawaii, Alaska, South, Central, North. If you read the manual, you'll see where that is, and you can pick where you are. And here you can actually set the dawn time to be more precise to what it should be, if you need to offset your area. There you go. Time and date is set. We'll do some programming here next. I'm going to program my first setup here. Setup button, calendar. I'm going to go up and down. So setup. Program 1, you've got 7 of these programs. I'm going to go enter. You can select what days you want. Right now it'll be on every day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, Saturday. Goes through each of the days individually. Monday through Friday work days, weekend, back to holidays. I want to come on. I'm going up and down to get through these. I want to come on about 6 a.m. These are outdoor lights outside the house. So enter, enter. You can see the switch to off right here. Every day of the week. Enter. I want to go off at dawn, which it has currently at 6:30. Program 2. I want to come on, set, enter. Every day of the week, enter. I want to come on at dawn. No, I want to come on at dusk. These are my nighttime lights. And I want to go off. Enter. At 10 p.m. Actually, I'll make it about 10:10. I'm going to put a third one in there. Time is 0. Well, let me do that? No. So we'll put it as an on time for 11:55. Off. We need to modify that. Go back, hit the down arrow back to P3. Set. Program. On time is 11:55 p.m. Off time and I'm going to put this as 11. If you hold down, or just run fast if you hold the down arrow. 11:59 p.m. And what I've done that for is sometimes after 10 p.m. I might want to turn the lights on. Let's get out of program mode. Well, setup. There you go. Sometimes I might want to turn the lights on after 10 p.m. after they go off. If I forget to turn them back off, that will turn them off at midnight if they accidentally get turned on, so we don't waste energy. So there I've programmed my basic setup. You can see it's backlit. That's a really nice feature. Easy to open here. Conceals all the buttons. And if you just manually want to turn on the lights on and off, you can. There's a slight delay there. Off, press, on. So you can manually turn them on and off. Very nice feature. Look forward to having the nice outdoor lights controlled automatically and with timer set.